sure you guys can't hear it, but it's raining, so it makes everything sound creepier than it really is. Some of these cell doors are closed. This is the part of the prison that burnt. We're walking in water. Other end. That's how we're getting a little faster. Going down the hall. Because now it's dark behind us and in front of us. You saw that too? Bunch of broken toilets.
Where's that you get now?
Outside of Death Row. Bodies and bags. Oh, we saw this from the other side. Okay, light man, come on.
Just call me a white man?
No, I called you light man. You have the bright light. Huh. What the fuck? It's a fucking man made out of bags.
It's fucking creepy.
That's fucking scared the shit out of me. Shine that again? Throw something at it.
Let's see.
Hold on, let me get my gun out. Just in case. Fucking shit in hell, don't do that. I really can't tell if it's a real person wrapped in plastic.
They did a good job.
That's fucked up.
That's awesome.
That's fucked up. You go that way. I mean, light, yeah. It's fucking scary as shit. My baby's got his gun out. Because now we're freaked the hell out. We were wondering when we would see a homeless person. I guess we saw a dead one wrapped in plastic. Really? I mean, this is the end. There's like not a door down here. We have to walk through that hall again.
Oh, there's a door.
I can't wait to show that to Taylor.
Say Slooty.
That was really scary.
That's a sloot box. Sloot boys.